In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use an OLE object for Excel, a handy feature that can enhance your productivity when working with different types of files. We'll cover two simple methods, embedding and linking. Understanding these can really boost your efficiency and ensure your data presentation is always up to date. Let's dive right into the simplest method, embedding. This is particularly useful if you have a table in your Word document that you want to include in your Excel file. To start, simply select the table in your Word document. You can do this by clicking and dragging over the table to highlight it. Once you've done that, copy it. If you're using a Mac, you'll press Command+C, and if you're on a Windows computer, you'll use Control+C. This copies the table to your clipboard, which only takes a second. Now switch over to your Excel sheet. Select the cell where you want the table to appear. This would be the starting point for your embedded object. With your cell selected, just paste it there. Instantly, you'll see the table embedded directly within your Excel file. What's great about this method is that you can edit the content of the embedded table directly from within Excel, making it seamless to manipulate any data that you have embedded. Next, let's explore linking, which is another powerful way to work with objects in Excel. Begin by going to the Insert tab in your Excel ribbon. Now, this process shares some steps with embedding, but let me show you the differences. Click on Object, and from the drop-down, choose From File. At this point, you'll see an option to enable Link to File. Make sure to check this box. Now, select your Word document, and Excel will pull the content directly into your spreadsheet, displaying it just like the original. The key advantage of linking over embedding is that any changes you make in the original Word file will automatically update in your Excel file, keeping everything synchronized and accurate. If you ever need to make adjustments, simply double-click the object in Excel. This will open up the Word document where you can make your edits, and they'll seamlessly update in your Excel spreadsheet. That's how you can embed or link Word content into Microsoft Excel using objects. With these techniques, you'll find that managing your documents and spreadsheets becomes much more efficient and integrated. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you can stay updated with more useful Microsoft Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and have a great day using Excel.